The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, which costs $2.6 million, is a masterwork that completely changes luxury travel. Built on the famous Prevost H3-45 chassis, it sports a strong Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and a smooth, effortless ride. It has a sleek, aerodynamic appearance as well. This bus brings five-star living to the open road by skillfully fusing outstanding engineering and design concepts to do more than just transport you from one location to another. It is a style statement and proof that your journey can be as amazing as your destination thanks to its unique, eye-catching paint job and panoramic windows. Once inside, the cockpit appears more like a command center than a driver's seat. With its enormous Crestron C3 CPU and Liberty Coach's improved Crosspoint controls, the dashboard is a marvel of contemporary design. With this technology, the driver has total control over the coach's high-definition backup camera, navigation, and sophisticated entertainment and heating systems. In addition to a floating doorway and lighting steps that provide a sense of futuristic beauty, the entire redesigned layout is simple and easy to use. Luxurious design and fine craftsmanship are evident in the main living room. This coach's three S-Slide versions combine to provide an open, roomy floor plan that is on par with many luxury residences. Premium leather seats and handmade cabinetry are common features of the decor, which is a unique fusion of colors and textures. Using button clicks or voice commands to manage your lights, blinds, and entertainment is made simple with the integrated smart home system. This large apartment with luxurious furniture is ideal for entertaining, unwinding, and savoring life's little pleasures while on vacation. Your mobile haven is prepared for you. The focal point of the opulent master suite is a cozy king-sized bed. Your clothing and personal items will have plenty of room in the handcrafted cupboards that round the walls. You can operate the blinds, sound system, and lights from the comfort of your bed thanks to integrated smart controls. The accommodation is roomy, serene, and tranquil, which makes it the ideal spot to relax and rejuvenate for the rest of your journey. A bath-and-a-half arrangement is also available in some floor plans, giving visitors a half bath nearer to the main living space. The bathroom is a spa-inspired refuge. It boasts heated marble floors, a big glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and magnificent high-end fixtures. The countertops enhance the opulent appearance of the kitchen, while the toilet is composed of porcelain. Even if you are far from civilization, you will feel as though you are in a five-star hotel thanks to the bathroom's extensive storage and careful attention to detail, which are intended to give the utmost comfort and convenience. This is a gourmet kitchen fit for a professional cook, not your average RV kitchenette. It has a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer. The counter's stunning quartz construction offers a sophisticated and long-lasting surface for food preparation. Anyone may participate in the discussion while cooking because the entire space blends seamlessly into the main living room and has enough storage and drawer space for all of your supplies and equipment.